Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today I will be trying out the new Suva Beauty palette. So this is called Hypercolor. Ugh. So this is what the palette looks like. Super gorgeous. So this is the new palette by Morphe. Suva Beauty is also Morphe brand. I think it's a Morphe brand, but you can find Suva Beauty products in Morphe, and you can also find it on the Morphe website. So when this palette came out, I was like, oh my god, I have to have it. And the reason why is because they have the Suva Beauty neon powder liners. So they're little I will put the image up on the screen, but I really wanted them. However, the retails for $14 or $15 and I just couldn't afford that, so I decided to get the palette instead. The palette, by the way, is super gorgeous. Just look at this. Just take a minute to take in this beautiful palette. So, first things first, this palette is super simple and it's super bright and pigmented. So if you're not a person who likes bright pigmented colors, then this palette is definitely not for you. But I so love this palette. Also, this palette is more expensive than the other Morphe palettes that I've purchased and palettes that I've seen on the Morphe website. This palette is pretty pricey, but that's Suva Beauty. They're super pricey, and that's why I haven't bought anything from their collection before, because it's too much. But when I saw this palette, I was like, oh, I have to get my hands on it. But just because I like bright colors and this pop for me. So first things first, this palette is in sections, and that's the most unique thing about it. So the top row right here is UV glow. So UV glow shadows that glow in the dark. So it give you like the extra pop. Can you imagine me wearing this pink at night and my eyelids start glowing pink? That's super cute. So up the top we have this white matte color. It's called Black Light. And then we have LSD pink. And then we have Cloud 9 dark blue. And then we have Hallucinate. So Hallucinate is this purple color right here. And then the bottom row is all your matte colors. So these are just plain mattes. They don't glow or anything. So we have Euphoria, which is what I have on my eyes, thick green. And then we have Lollipop, which is this yellow right here. I was trying to get this out of the light. So we have Lollipop, which is this yellow, which I also have on my eyelids. And then we have After Hours, which is this pretty blue. And then we have Sweet Plus Sour, which is this red. And over here we have our 4 toppers. So toppers do come in most palettes. You probably just don't know it's a topper, but it's not like a regular shadow that you could put on. Yes, you can put it on, but if you put on one of these toppers just on your eyelid alone, it will just look something like this. So just give you a little shimmer, but that's it. So, and that's why it's called toppers, because it gives your eyeshadow like the extra shimmer that you want, the extra shimmer that's gonna make your eyeshadow pop like it's supposed to, okay? So these are toppers. So we have a Lemon Drop, we have this one I can't pronounce. I'm gonna put the name on the screen for you. And I have Mojito and I have Cotton Candy. So I already swatched them on my arm. Let me make sure I remember everything. So this Lemon Drop right here, this is the one I can pronounce. No, this is a lie. This is Lemon Drop, Mojito, the one I can't the cotton candy, and then the last one is the one I can't pronounce. So yeah. So when I'm putting the topper on my eye, I will explain the reflection that it gives throughout all that, but let's not mumble anymore. Let's get into this eye makeup. done. I did my lips off camera because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I wanted to do some kind of nude. Your girl tried. She tried. But anyway, let's move on. So the palette has toppers. So if you don't know what toppers are what gives your eye makeup like the finish glitter that it needs, but it's not really a glitter, it's just like a shimmer. It's like a shimmer top. So we have Lemon Drop or Mojito. So Lemon Drop and Mojito is right here, and I'm gonna swatch them for you. So that's Lemon Drop right there. It's kind of giving me like a gold or like a bronzy or rose gold. That's what Lemon Drop is giving me. I want something to put over the green, so I won't go with that. Let's do Mojito. Okay, so Mojito is this one, and it does have, it's not showing up on camera, that sucks, but the Mojito does have green in it, so that's the one that we're gonna use. Let me see. Whoa. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. See, will it go on the other eye? Ooh. So you guys can't see. Okay. So we're gonna do that again. This eye. I don't think this is the right brush to use it with, but yeah. I'm gonna put Lemon Drop over the gold, over the yellow, I mean, what am I saying? Yes. The eyeshadow needed that. I wish you guys could have seen the difference of how it made my makeup look. Now that I'm done putting my lashes on, I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. This is new also. Well, you guys have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the like button, comment, do all that good stuff. Follow me on my social media, the Abby-licious. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.